Hi first grade, you've been doing such a great job with surveys. Today you are going to try to solve comparison problems. What's that? Don't worry, we're going to talk all about it. Here we go. Before we can talk about comparison problems, let's first remind ourselves what it means to compare. When we compare two numbers, just like when we talked about numbers that are greater or less than, when you compare two numbers, you are seeing which is bigger, which is smaller, or are they the same? And in these problems, we're going to use one number to solve the other number. So let's get started. So for comparison problems, this is the type of problem that you will see. So cats or dogs. So here are two options, cats and dogs. Miss Jackie asked some students, which do you prefer? So which do you like more, cats or dogs? 3 students, so in this problem, 3 students like cats. 2 more students like dogs than cats. So how many students like dogs? So before we start, just looking at what they told us, what do we know? Well, first we know 3 students like cats. So the number of people that answered the survey and said cats, that's 3 students. Then 2 more students like dogs than cats. So we know 3 students like cats, and then 2 more than 3 students like dogs. So how many students like dogs? So to figure this problem out, we are given a bar graph. So what is a bar graph? A bar graph is where you show each person who likes cats and dogs using a block. So it's kind of like a cube. So for each person who likes cats, we're gonna fill in a cube. So we have 1, 2, 3 people who like cats. So we know 2 more people like dogs than like cats. So we need to figure out what is 2 more than 3. So to do that, I'm going to use cubes. So here I have built 3 cubes for the 3 people who like cats. So let's check my work and count to make sure I have the right number of cubes. So 1, 2, 3. So now 2 more than 3 like dogs. So I have to add 2 cubes to this stick. So I'm gonna add 2 cubes. So 1. So now I've added 2 cubes to my stack. So let's count. I counted 1, 2. So now let's see how many we have in our stack in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 more than 3 is 5. So we're gonna fill in our bar graph to show that. And then I'm also going to draw what I did with the cubes to show my work. So now I have filled out my bar graph. So I have 1, 2, 3 for cats, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for dogs. So you can see 2 more prefer dogs than cats. Now here I've shown my work. I drew the 3 cubes for dogs, and then I showed that same stack with 2 more for dogs. And now I'm going to show my work using a number sentence. So what I did was I had my stack of 3, and then I added 1, 2 more. So I'm writing 3 plus 2 equals 5. But now I need to answer the question using words. So the question they asked was, how many students like dogs? So the answer is 5 people prefer dogs. So now I have filled in my bar graph. I showed my work using a picture. I have a matching number sentence, and I wrote a sentence answering the question. So now I am all done. So now that you have seen how to solve a comparison problem, you're going to try some on your own. I know you're going to do a great job, first grade. Bye.